observatory, as its name says, it is about observing business practices worldwide and trying to identify the latest trends in innovation, design, and the activities that we are developing today are tools that can help industry, manufacturing, to increase the value of their products, of their processes.
One of the challenges today is to build a common vision. So it's very important to bring all these stakeholders today together to build up and share this common vision about what are the key action plans.
The objectives of this particular workshop is to collect feedback from experts coming from different backgrounds in respect to the three innovative trends that have been defined for this semester, meaning design for innovation, new business models for global competitiveness, and smart living.
The way the roundtables were designed and conceived was actually to push the stakeholders to think out of the box.
It was a very interesting experience to swap roles. The main reason is that I come from an investor side, entrepreneur side more, and we talked really from the role of an association. And usually as an entrepreneur and investor, you're very opportunity driven. As an association, you're more risk driven or maybe cost saving driven. So it was very interesting to swap that role and discuss it from two different perspectives.
So I was a participant in the roundtable, and I really learned a lot about the other perspectives, the investor perspective, the small business perspective. We had some discussions, for example, between the investor and the startup person who had really opposite perspectives, but it really helped, I think. They came a lot closer during the discussion.
There are some certain obstacles, and the obstacles are definitely related to policy holders, to tax systems, to inflexibility in those. And what we have come up with actually some radical ideas. We say that you need to break rules. As an industry association, which we were representing, you have to create a forum where you go in and discuss rule breaking.
We basically agreed that there is actually in Europe for design related issues a problem of awareness. So, for example, the current narrative is that failure is actually a problem, and if you look at the US, if you fail a number of times, you're considered a serial entrepreneur. While the narrative in Europe is different.
My main recommendation was about forgetting about technology. When we speak about innovation, we should leverage more on knowledge and talent of young people, their entrepreneurial drive, and not much on technological solutions.
There is something else.
Yes.
It's not this black and white. There's something else. Think out of the box.
And it's a space in between.
Yeah.
So here's the entrepreneurial space.
Yeah. That's
the
a good
in
one.
between, and in French, entre, prendre, grab it.
Yeah.
And then you have a business opportunity.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one.
In my specific case, was to place industrial policy in a context of firms doing innovation, was to get more in touch with other actors, as I said, and to see the subject from a different perspective. And I think the objective was fully accomplished.